Ooh, I shouldn't be coughing. Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Yes, the world is a crazy place right now. It's been a crazy couple of weeks, and honestly, I've just been trying to keep up with everything and all these changes. As a content creator and a freelancer, yes, I have pretty much lost all of my gigs and clients right now. I pretty much have no work, but you know, luckily I saved up some money and I should be pretty good for now. But yeah, just coming back here on YouTube, I got a little vlog for you guys. Kind of been documenting the days over the last few weeks and what's been happening. And I had family over and they pretty much got quarantined with us and they went back home already. It's just been crazy. I am gonna be working on some videos for you guys as far as filmmaking, gear stuff. For some reason, a lot of you guys that have been watching this channel love the OnePlus phone videos, so I might be doing some more videos on the OnePlus phone because that seem to be very popular. As far as today, you guys will be watching a vlog. I hope you guys enjoy it. Just a couple of things that have been happening over the last few weeks as far as like going out to stores and seeing empty aisles at the store with like no items and anything like that. It's just been crazy. It's been crazy. I'm sure you guys know about all this. You guys know I upload vlogs and like filmmaking stuff on here, so I am going to be doing that since I am home now for who knows how long, and I will be working on making more content for you guys since I am home more now. I am home more now. That's a word. That just sounds weird. But yeah, so stay tuned. More videos coming soon. Hope you guys enjoy this vlog. This guy don't even have a jacket on because he didn't bring one. Gonna go to Target, get some stuff, not for the apocalypse, but just for the house. There was one car left, literally, just one. Here you go. Gone. All the cans are gone. It's right here. Wow. Look at that. Basically, nothing's open, nothing's going on, and my dad brought some prime meat to make at home so that we don't get bored. Just kidding, because we wanted to make some carne asada, but it's got a little out of hand, and they got bougie with it, and they brought some real prime meat. This stuff's like $16 a pound. That's crazy, Lena. We eating like TikTok stars right now. What is it? You gotta act bougie like a Kardashian. It's March 17th, 2020, 10:48 p.m. There's officially no toilet paper, no water, no eggs, no jobs, no stores open, no theaters, no gyms, no bars, no clubs, no concerts, no events. The world is doomed. So we're going into full quarantine, I'm pretty sure, pretty soon. And we have just been stuck inside the house, going crazy. Oh, there's no more school either. So, oh my gosh, we're stepping outside in the quarantine. We're officially outside of the house right now for the first time in about 24 hours. Temperature's pretty cold. We're gonna attempt to go get some food at these closed establishments. You have coronavirus? Oh yeah, she does. Look at her. Oh my gosh, look at everybody's out during coronavirus. Nobody listens. Stay inside, everybody, except to get tacos. That's it. Woo! They're wearing gloves out here, boy. So it's official. The governor, not the government of California has issued a stay-at-home order. So nobody can go out. It's not that you can't go out, but if you don't need to go out, you need to stay home unless it's for work, medicine, or essential things like taking care of other family members and stuff like that. But all businesses that are not essential, events, everything pretty much that's closed already is gonna have to stay closed, and we're all just gonna have to stay home, other than grocery stores and some food places and stuff like that that will be able to deliver it. But for the most part, we're quarantined until who knows how long, and I don't know what's gonna happen. It's gonna be pretty interesting. So our vacation has been extended. Welcome to my backyard. As you can see, there's an empty pool. Long story short, pool's broken, doesn't work. We need to get it fixed. I'm gonna try to get it fixed this year. I should do a story time on that. Since we're on a coronavirus, COVID-19, whatever you want to call it, stay-at-home order, we basically, everything's closed. You guys know all this. So we're gonna take advantage of this time and clean up the backyard because it's kind of looking a little abandoned. There's a lot of plants and stuff that are just growing out of the rocks and all that. So yeah, it should be interesting. Coronavirus got us out here working and stuff. I guess it's a good thing. I don't know. This is top-notch content right here for you guys. I need to get rid of all of this right here. These are the old tubes for my band. For the banner. To set up these PVC pipes on stage. And then put our banner on it. It would say Dead Avenue in the back. Oh! Finally! Yes, I am wearing Pokemon shorts. So what? Alright, we're pretty much good to go here. We just gotta sweep it up. I'm gonna throw this away. This side's clean. Woo! From what it was before to now.
People comment where it should be all around halfway. You can end, you control it. Depends on what your intentions are. Stick jab. Triple jab, 30 seconds.
Got a little boxing going on, you know. Since I've been home more, I've been trying to train at home and keeping active. And boxing is one of my favorite things to do. I started a couple of months back. Man, it's such a great exercise. So Don't judge me on my skills. I am not a professional at all whatsoever. I just try to look cool and I feel cool while I'm doing it. So, and I sweat. As long as I'm sweating and I feel cool and I feel like I'm a badass, then I don't care. Don't judge me. But yeah, stores are empty. Everything's closed. We're in full quarantine or stay-at-home order pretty much. And yeah, that's what it is. So I hope you guys are having a good time at home. If you're out working, you guys are the real MVPs. All the people that are working like grocery stores, hospitals, any fast food places, anybody that's keeping this whole thing, you know, you guys got our backs. Props to you guys. Really appreciate you guys, and you guys are doing a great job. Keep up the good work. And yeah, so just stay safe out there, you guys. Don't go out if you don't have to. Stay home. Trust me, this will be over pretty soon. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure to like and subscribe. To all my new subscribers, thank you guys so much for subscribing, and I hope you guys enjoy your stay-at-home order. That's all we gotta do. We gotta stay home and watch YouTube, I guess. Alright, later, you guys.